Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech Bidda. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Wi-Fi on Tenda router. Before that, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more this series of important videos. So let's get start the video. Here you can see there is a Tenda router. This router model is Tenda F3. So first of all, turn on your Tenda router. So insert the router adapters into your multi-plug and insert this pin into your router's backside. After that, make sure this Ethernet cable is connected from your ONU to router's one port. Now if this router is old, first of all reset this router. In your router's backside, you will get a WPS or reset button. So hold on this button for 10 seconds. After that, your router will be reset. Now let's go to the phone screen. Then go to the Wi-Fi option. Here you can see I have got my Tenda router signal. So just connect it. You do not need any password for connect it. Okay. After connect it, as you can see, it's automatically open the admin page. But if you're not getting admin page like this way, don't worry. Here just click on this arrow. Then scroll down and click on IP settings. Then select here static. Then scroll down. Now from here copy this gateway address. Then just get back and open your Chrome browser. Here paste your copied address. Then go to this address. Now from here you have to select your connection type. As my connection type is first one, so I'm gonna keep it. Most of the ISP connection type is first one. After choose your connection type, here type your username which is given from your ISP. Okay. Then type here your internet service provider's password which is also given by your ISP. If you don't know about your username and password, then please contact your ISP. They will provide this username and password. Then type here a name for your Wi-Fi SSID. After that, type here a password for the Wi-Fi. Then click on OK. Now as you can see, my router setup is finished. After that, just get back and open your Wi-Fi option. Here as you can see, I have got my setup network. Let's connect it. After that, let me show you does it work or not. If I open YouTube, you can see it's working properly. If your router cannot cover your all room, then you can watch my videos how to set up TP-Link as Wi-Fi extender. I will give this video in the I button. So friend, like this way you can easily set up your Tenda router. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. If you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.